So give you a little rundown where we're at right now. We just got here, so there's the 10x7, and we got our doors backed up in here. All right, we got everything unloaded, and man, let me tell you what, I am wore out. What? Those sections, they're not the lightest. I got Mr. Bo pulling out. Yeah, we got a stack of panels there. So that's what we're getting ready to install. It is a nice, beautiful day out here in Nowhere, Texas, so we're gonna start getting after it. Like I said, the game plan is to, basically knock this 10x7 out. We got to put some C-purling up for some spring pad action and, mount the opener. And right there's a 12 2x12. Follow the slope. Here's another 12 2x12. That one's going to follow the slope as well. And right over here on the gable end, another 12 2x12. And that one's going to go up and hopefully everything's right and it's going to curve right underneath that fan way up there.
Bruh.
Got everything laid out. Got some big boy springs here.
Oh my God!
Oh, brutal.
So yeah, we're just unloading and kind of prepping everything. I think we're going to tackle the 10x7 first over here.
Excellent.
And get that all knocked out, get the easy one done, and then next 2 days we'll be up putting the big ones together. So stay tuned.
Bruh. Look at this dude.
Just about done there. Getting ready to wind up the spring. Getting this guy together so we can mount it and get the opener going for it. Like I said, we fully want to just get this small one done so it's totally out of the way. Okay, put the coupler on, we'll stick it up there.
That's what she said.
All right, so the first day here, we got two of these guys stacked in, two of the 12x12s, stacked up and tracked up. We left this one open because we got to get the lift in here tomorrow and the next day. Got that nice looking 10x7. Went in real nice. Got that opener mounted up over there. All right, let's manually pull this guy down.
Seriously?
Let's close it up. All right, there's that. So we ended up using some 2x2 steel for the spring bracket right there. It didn't really need like a C purling. That 2x2 is super strong and this is a small door. So put that on there and yeah, it works good and looks good.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna put these big boy springs together tomorrow. I might eat my Wheaties in the morning. There's some big guys. And on our high lift door, your CHI forgot to send the bearing plates. As you can see on the follow the slope, here's our drum, there's the bearing bracket and the football bearing. On this big dog here, they didn't send the bearing bracket, so hopefully CHI can get that thing overnighted. Look at the size of those guys.
Are you kidding
my hand.
me?
Bruh.
That's crazy.
There's some huge drums.
Everything will turn out all right in the end.
Okay, day number 2. The gable end door, the high lift, we did not do anything with that today. So we just stacked this door in, put the vert tracks up, and then focused on putting C-channel up there to attach the upper part of the, the high lift track, something to mount to.
Why you always lying?
We got our pile of C-purling right there. But on the right-hand side where the opener is going to mount, yeah, we just kept that C-purling out a little bit so we had something to mount the opener to up there.
Run. Warning. Warning. Warning.
So you can see how I had to fasten the C-purling right there.
Oh yeah.
To give our track something to mount to. The drums are clearing the sheet metal by about 1/4 inch. So yeah, this thing was measured perfectly. So as the door opens and comes up and around, you know, I had a concern that maybe the door was going to hit this guy right there. But we need 3.5 inches, and we have 3.5 inches from the top of that track to the bottom of that roof beam.
Right on.
Like I said, you got to put this a piece of C-purling like, you know, we did for that guy. Put 2 in the center for the spring. Yeah, boy. And it's going to be up in here somewhere, you know, because you can. I'm looking right now, and that bearing is about right here. So that's about where that's where the center of that shaft's going to be, you know, and the springs are pretty big. Yeah, so they're going to be mounted somewhere in this area here. Got all our stuff down there. Kind of cool, sitting up here looking down. That's it for day 2. So tomorrow we're going to come out here and we're going to get this thing all C-purlined up, you know, ready to go for a spring line as well. Pretty awesome looking doors. Let's check it out on the outside. Oh yeah. It's a pretty sweet model, for sure. But we're getting there. Day 2 in the books. See y'all tomorrow. Yeah, from afar it looks pretty good. Oh, hello there! All right, it's day number 3. It's a rainy day. Pretty nasty. It's kind of chilly. But yeah. We are back at it. So we're going to work on the big guy here. We've got these done up to the point to where we need the longer piece of C-purling for the springs for that one and for this guy over here. We're kind of on a standstill with these.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We can actually do safety sensors and mount the wall controls over there, kind of get the machines ready. Got to put these big dogs together, solid shaft. That lift get all the way up there. It's a 26-footer. Sure does look like higher than 26 foot to me. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, well, I'm gonna get things set up, get the generator going, the batteries charged up. That's what we're going to we're gonna get out of here. All right, we got the laser level busted out. We'll try this out and see how straight this thing is actually. Pretty good. Yeah, you can see where the laser is right on the track, so that's where it needs to be according to the laser. Yeah, this laser level is definitely worth the money. Works pretty good. Now I know why they had that board standing up there.
Hey, what happened?
I took it down because I didn't want it to fall and hit the door, but it's rainy. That rain falling out of that gutter is hitting this edge, and it just is amplified inside the building like 10 times, and it's very annoying.
No! God, please, no!
So this kind of deters the water.
If fish can live underwater, then so can I.
I get it. Man, that door looks good.
Okay, there you go.
Richard, yes.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah, back to the laser level. So as we built this thing up, there's our horizontal tracking. So I mean, it pretty much falls out right where that laser line is. Nice straight line.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Looks good.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yeah. Live action wiggled it out. And cut. Good scene.
Live action.
You gotta hold it like your video game character.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
And cut. You got your headers, you got the thing, you got the halves. You picked up all those half heads.
Yeah.
What kind of face is that? He says it's the face of a winner. That's on the same spot.
We're winning. All right, we got the laser level lined up to do our horizontal hangs. Nice and straight. All right, we got it all done there. Got the spring pads up, horizontals hung, ready for some springs. Like I said, CHI forgot to send the bearing plates on this, so we're kind of at a standstill until we get those, which they came in today, but you know, the place is like an hour and a half away. I got to pick those up tomorrow. I'll be right back out.